Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to set a logo on your WordPress website. Here you can see we have our domain name at the place of logo. Now we will see how we can place our logo at the place of this domain name. So come to our WordPress dashboard. Here in the appearance section you have a customize option. Click on that. Now come to header builder. Now click on site title and logo. Here you will get a select logo option. Click on that. Now choose your website logo. Click on select. Now crop your logo or adjust your logo. Now here you can see we have successfully uploaded our logo. Now let's publish all the changes and see how it's looking like. Okay, now here you can see we have domain name also. Now we will see how we can remove this domain name from here. Just scroll down and remove it from here. Click on publish. Here refresh all the changes and now you can see the domain name is disappeared. Now resize the logo for a better look of website. So for that you can customize it from here. Now refresh it again. Here you can see it is looking pretty good. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or any query, then you can ask in comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys.